Let's set up our sunflower flower. So we have a stem. Yours is significantly higher. I'm just a shorty. Floor base on the floor. Stem goes right on top of the rod. Forget about leaves for now. Now we need to mount the flower head. There is a stick and it goes right onto the stem. There is a skirt, that's what we call it, at the top of the stem. Just a little bit of free crepe paper. Just make sure you make it white. It's been squashed after traveling to your store. So you make a room in here and then you mount your flower head onto the stem. Again, after traveling, your flowers may get a little bit squashed in the box. So the petals of sunflower may get flattened a bit like this. What to do if that happened? You carefully work on every single petal one by one. No rush. You stretch a teeny tiny bit every single petal from underneath. Make their shape more round. Don't be afraid, you won't break them. This Italian crepe paper is very high quality, so it won't rip if you do this gently. You can see layer number 1, 2, and 3 facing down. They curved downwards, and the inner layer curved inwards. You do it this way every single petal. Just a little bit of stretch in rounding shape. And this is it. Now it is full of body and fluffy again. This is it. If a few stamens in the center of the flower again flattened, you just fluff them with just your finger. It's nice and pleasant to touch. What about leaves? They may get squashed also during our travel. So you, first of all, you bend them a little bit, not much, and do not stretch paper, because in nature sunflower leaves, they are more flat, they do not have ruffles on the edges. So you just try to kind of iron with your hands each leaf like this and just bend it a little bit backwards. And this is it.